Okay, welcome to a new tutorial. On this channel, I shoot, you watch and learn, hopefully. There's so many things we need to light. There's so many products out there. So, what are we going to shoot today? Well, I will come to that soon. First, we should take a look at today's light source, the SIRUI Dragon Series B25R Bendable RGB LED light. And this is the first two-way bendable LED light. And it can go that way, and it can go, any way that you like. One other cool thing is that you have this quick release on each end of these lights, so you can connect and you can make like 100-meter long light source, So you just have this button here, and then you take the other one and then just push it in like this. And now suddenly we have a very long light source, And, we can do whatever we like with this. You can shape the light source, make like a rim light silhouette lighting, if you will. And this is kind of useful, just using one light source instead of like three that you normally have to do. One from the top, one from left, one from right, and then you will still not have it, all the way around the product. So this is absolutely fantastic. Today we will use it exactly like this, but I will attach it to two C stands. But first, I can show you something. What can I show you? Well, let's disconnect these. This you can put on a C stand or light stand or whatever, and then we can attach them. This quick release, just slide it in, tighten it down, slide the other one in. Maybe we should have them the same way. Slide it in and tighten it down. And now we will double the power, But today we will not use it with this guy. We will use it as a... It comes with these power adapters. And you connect it somewhere here. And there you go. And if you're in the studio, that works great, of course. But we can also use Sony NP batteries. This is genius. And then we just power on. And there we go. There we have another. And we can also use the smaller ones, If you're familiar with Sony NP batteries, most photographers have them lying around. Is it on? No. Let's turn it on. And there we have a nice light panel. So let's slide them out. 1, 2. I love this shape because this we can use for many products in a super simple way. And of course there is an app, and I must say this is absolutely the best LED light software I ever tried, because I tried many and they always complicate stuff, and this is so easy to use. We have both lights and we can control them one by one, of course, on off, but also we can put them in a group and then we turn them off and on. Let's go into the group, controlling both of them. And if you attach more than two, you just keep adding them. First of all, we have the Kelvin, and it goes from super warm like this, 2700, and it goes all the way up to 8500. Super cold, like bluish. What else do we have? We have the colors, of course. Whoa. The RGB colors, you know, any color you like, of course. And you can just go through all the colors, of course. And you also have these effects, you know, police car, they're here, hide, disco, TV, broken bulb, and so on, you know. But the coolest thing, I think, is this one. This is the color picker. Let's say that we are shooting a product, and let's put this at 5500, like the camera white balance, and let's take down the power a lot. And let's say we're shooting this product, and for some reason you would like to have green highlights. So let's go to the picker, and then we just do it like this, and up in the left corner you see the color there, and suddenly you will get the color from the bottle. Okay, so maybe you like to have green rim lights, maybe you like to light the background with the color of your product. Let's take my old Pentax from 1999. Okay, and let's see if we can get some light on this. Do we get some nice light? Look at that gradient up there. There is light all around this camera. You can really get some nice product shots. I think we should take a shot. Is it in the center? Almost. Let's shoot it like, maybe that is nice. We'll have to have a bit on the top there. Okay, let's take a shot. Probably I should not be in the way. Maybe I should. Maybe this will be cool. Well, let's take one with a gray background. Absolutely beautiful. And right now, you might feel that it's too blurry over here. Yes, that's because I'm using a tilt shift lens. Because I set the focus on this rough Pentax smashed up logo. So you see, it's all sharp. It's because I'm tilting the lens and just setting focus over here. So that's something that's really great with tilt shift lenses. You can decide where you like to put the focus. Let's take another shot. Okay, let's shoot a shoe. Then we just place it under here. From this side, we will get a nice highlight here, and up here we will get a nice rim light. So let's take a shot. Let me move, and then I will take a shot, and let's see what we will get. Yes, look at this highlight all the way on the heel and back here, and then we get this nice rim light, edge light there, and very nice, showing the leather perfectly, and all the way around the shoe. And let's go into the separate lights, and we go to this one, and then we go to tone, RGB. Let's say we would like to have this one should be purple, and then we go back and set the other one to yellow. Let's put this back, orange and teal. So there you can see, you can control them separately or together and create light effects. If you like to check them out, the SIRUI Dragon Series B25R, this kit, just click the link in the description because you will get 10% off. So please subscribe, please like, it makes a big difference to keep this channel alive. That's how it is. And also I would like to thank all the members hanging in there. Thanks so much for the support. If you'd like to join this channel, you can click the join button, become a coffee supporter, or you can go over to Patreon if you can't join here on Facebook, if you can't join here on YouTube, okay? And as always, I'll see you next.
time.